How do you?
Good, good. So last time we met, you said that you're having trouble identifying objects at home.
Yeah, I just keep picking out the wrong thing. Like I go to get my toothbrush and I pick out my hairbrush instead.
Yeah, okay. So what I thought we'd do today is do an assessment. So this is called the Rivermead Perceptual Assessment Battery.
Okay.
And so it's going to assess your visual perception ability.
Yeah.
And see if you can match objects that are identical.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out the strawberries.
Yep.
And put them together because they're a pair.
Okay.
You see those names?
Yeah.
I'll pick out them. And I'll get you to pick out the rest of the pairs.
Okay. They all look very similar.
They do. It's a tricky one.
I think these two berries are both the same kind of berry.
Yeah.
I think these two are the same as well.
Yeah.
More berries that match. And then I guess those two have to go together.
Yep. Alright, so that was good. How did you find that?
It was a bit trickier than I thought. A lot of them look the same.
They do, don't they? So we'll see how you've gone. So these two are actually different.
Oh, okay.
So the shape is very similar and they're both blue.
Yeah.
But you can see these ones are actually blackberries. They have lots of little small ones.
Okay.
Whereas this one is just the round.
I didn't notice that.
No, it's tricky. So these ones, the cherries, yep, they're matching.
Oh, good.
So there's 4 there and 4 there.
Yep.
And so this is the same. So those two were mixed up. So these two are as well.
Okay.
So,
So those two match. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you see that now?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see the.
So they are very similar.
Yeah.
And these ones, the tomatoes, you've got them right as well.
Okay.
So good job.
Thank you.
What we're going to do is the right and left copying words assessment. So what this test assesses is your ability to follow complex instructions and remember them. So you've got 5 minutes to do it. And what I'm going to get you to do is copy this word here into this space, this word into this space, and so on. We'll do all this column, and then move on to this side. Okay.
Do you need to time it?
No, you've got 5 minutes to do it, so take your time.
You should write them or just whatever you think.
How did you find that one?
That was quite easy. I didn't find it very hard.
Yeah, so you remembered the instructions all the way through?
Yep.
You've done both sides?
Yep.
A lot of people forget to do one side.
Okay.
And you've done well going from left to right and right to left. And also from what I can see, you haven't made any mistakes.
Oh, good.
Well, not many at all.
Yep.
You copied the letters and numbers correctly. So good job. Well today. So you had a bit more trouble with the picture matching test than you did with the words. So you did this one really well.
Okay.
But so you had a bit of trouble matching the pictures, which indicates that you may have damaged areas in your temporal lobe or your occipital lobe at the back. So there's a condition called visual agnosia, which this could be a sign of. So that means that you have trouble discriminating between objects.
Yeah.
So that would explain confusing a toothbrush with a hairbrush.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So now that we know that, we'll be able to tailor your therapy to get you back to doing the things that you want to do.
Oh, good.
So